Get ready to transform your cooking experience with the Firebox Folding Chef Knife, the ultimate tool for all your culinary needs. This is my chef coat from back in the 90s. I used a chef knife almost every day for 6 years. These days, I make YouTube adventure videos demonstrating my camp cooking products. I needed a folding chef knife that would fit in the Ultra Cook Kit. Having had professional experience with a variety of chef knives, I decided to design my own. I understand the effect that blade geometry, handle placement, and balance have on a knife's performance. So I designed the Firebox Folding Chef Knife to have all the qualities of a professional chef knife, yet fold up and fit in your pocket. The folded length of 6 1/4 inches makes it perfect when you need to save space, yet opens up to a total length of nearly 11 inches. For safety, the carefully architected detent gives a satisfying sound and feel at fully closed, holding the blade in place. Balanced tension provides a smooth action. Crafted with high-quality blade steel to accept and hold a fine edge, the Santoku hybrid blade shape, combined with a full-face flat grind, ensures accurate straight cuts and smooth, seamless contact for properly executing safe chopping technique. From seasoned chefs to beginners, the Firebox Folding Chef Knife is a must-have for everyone, as its folding form factor not only provides convenience for occasional transport, but also offers safety within your knife drawer every day. If you've ever imagined a knife that combines versatility, durability, and performance, yet folds up for safety and convenience, pinch yourself and look no further than the Firebox Folding Chef Knife. Don't settle for anything less. Elevate your cooking experience today.